In this video, I'm going to point you towards citation tools and research guides. You can discover resources for citation on our research guides, as well as a review of search tips discussed in previous videos. To locate research guides, begin on the library homepage. Next, click on Research Guides. Then click Subject. Here you will discover subject guides for nutrition, physical therapy, public health, social work, health professions education, and other subjects in the health and natural sciences. Once you select a guide, find your way to the Writing and Citing tab. Here you will discover links to style guides on APA and other online citation tools to create and manage your bibliography. The Writing Center can assist you with structuring your paper and grammar. Click on the link for the Citation Manager's Guide. It's best to get started with managing your references as early in your research process as possible. A citation manager such as Zotero will help you save references to articles as you search the databases. The library supports both Zotero and EndNote. However, if you prefer using Google Docs over Microsoft Word, you'll want to choose Zotero for its amazing browser plugins. To best assist you with getting comfortable with using a citation manager, I created a tutorial series dedicated to answering the most frequently asked questions by students. These quick tutorials will show you how to get started with Zotero, save references, create in-text citations as you write your paper, how to create a bibliography, and create notes and annotations. Remember though, that no online citation generator, including citation managers, is 100% accurate. Be sure to check your citations and reference our style guides to make sure that they are correct. Finally, if you have any questions at any point during your research, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to set up a research appointment with you at your convenience and help you get on track for success. You can book an appointment with me here through the research guide or on the library homepage. You can also reference all of the databases we discussed along with search strategies and how to request ILL on this guide. Feel free to explore. These resources are for you. I hope to see you soon, and good luck with your research.